Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we'll go over Sculpt Base Mesh Option in the multi-resolution modifier. Let's add a plane. Then, go to Edit mode and right-click and subdivide the plane 5 times. This will be our base mesh. It has 49 vertices now. Go back to Object mode and add Multi-Resolution Modifier. Let's press Simple button 4 times and add 4 subdivision levels to our mesh. Our plane has 9,409 vertices now. That will be the highest subdivision level for us. Then, go to Sculpting mode. Let's select the Grab tool and try to grab our mesh. Here we go. We are sculpting the mesh at the highest subdivision level now. But if we enable Sculpt Base Mesh option here, we will sculpt our mesh at base mesh level. Let's enable Sculpt Base Mesh option and try to grab our mesh. There we go. We can go to wireframe mode to see. Let's try Sculpt Base Mesh option for Cloth tool in Sculpt mode. This allows you to see the propagation of strokes in real time, which enables to use complex tools like cloth or pose in much higher resolutions without surface noise and artifacts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.